A great fit for 1 to 2 bedroom homes, this kit includes 1 base station, 1 keypad, 4 contact sensors, 1 motion detector, and 1 range extender. Put whole home security at your fingertips with Ring Alarm, a do-it-yourself alarm system. Includes a more intuitive keypad with emergency buttons and smaller contact sensors to seamlessly blend into your home. Receive mobile notifications when your system is triggered, change your alarm modes, and monitor all your Ring devices all through the Ring app. Choose the Ring Alarm kit that fits your needs and add additional components and accessories at any time. Easily set up your Ring Alarm by plugging in your base station, connecting to Wi-Fi via the Ring app, and placing your sensors in their ideal locations. Better with Alexa. Arm and disarm Ring Alarm with your voice and get mobile alerts about the sound of broken glass or smoke alarms with Alexa Guard. Call trained agents from your Echo who can request the dispatch of emergency responders with Alexa Guard Plus, included with an eligible Ring Protect plan. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Install is easy. Devices are sleek and responsive. No complaints so far. Super easy install and configuration. So happy to get rid of ADT and paying only a fraction of the cost for professional monitoring.